We are now being joined by Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh, who comes from Jammu and Kashmir. He is the sitting MP from Udhampur Lok Sabha seat. Dr. Singh, first of all, many thanks for speaking to India today. Dr. Singh, are you disappointed by the results of Jammu and Kashmir Assembly elections? Because BJP had set an ambitious target for itself. BJP wanted to emerge as the single largest party, but that hasn't happened.
No, not at all, not at all. On the contrary, we are very much satisfied. I think as far as the Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned, this is the best performance of Bharatiya Janata Party in Jammu Kashmir in the entire history after independence. We are already 29. I think the tally is also going to increase. Our vote share has increased both in the Jammu region as well as the Kashmir region. And not only that, I would also see this as a recognition and acknowledgement of Prime Minister Modi's inclusive approach, the manner in which he has liberated the entire region of that grievance which persisted for so many years, that there used to be regional discrimination, there was a lack of equivalence among the different regions and different communities. That is no longer seen there. All these schemes have been equally implemented. This Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, you see the Kacha houses getting converted into Pakka houses regardless of the house belongs to a Hindu or a Muslim or a Brahmin or a Thakur, regardless of the vote bank. And that has now received acknowledgement. You see the huge voter turnout happening not only in Jammu, also in Kashmir. So it's actually true mainstreaming of Jammu and Kashmir, true mainstreaming of democracy in Jammu and Kashmir. It's become a part of the mainstream Indian democracy, and the same kind of scene that you see over here is what prevails elsewhere during the election time. So I think the credit entirely goes to Prime Minister Modi. This is in fact an acknowledgement. And the Congress party, which has always been antagonistic to what the BJP has been saying, what the Prime Minister Modi has been saying, is today being wiped out, not only in the neighbouring Haryana, but even here also. Of all the seats that they contested out of 90, I think they seem to be winning only at maximum in 5. So that itself is an indication that people have rejected the kind of dynasty politics, the kind of corruption-ridden politics, the kind of scam-ridden politics which was being practiced by the Congress party.
Dr. Singh, in 2014 assembly elections, Congress party won 12, assembly seats, but not a single Hindu candidate of the Congress party was able to win any seat, and the same is happening this time. I mean, according to you, what's the reason for that?
No, this time the Congress party tally has gone down even further. And I think this is again reiteration of the rejection of the people to this dynastic politics which was being practiced with them, and the politics of entitlement where you can get away after committing scams and corruption scandals. So Prime Minister Modi has given a just dispensation, and people have endorsed that.
Dr. Singh, there is no doubt that BJP continues to remain as the party number 1 in Jammu region, but you were nursing an ambition that you will be able to form your own government with the help of some independents and smaller parties. But as per the latest trends, National Conference Congress coalition is heading for a majority. They have already crossed the majority mark.
No, the matter of fact is, if you see these figures and the statistics, this is a hung assembly. So no single party has been able to achieve an absolute majority.
You feel there is still a possibility that BJP could, BJP could form the government?
No, it will be out of turn for me to talk like that, because as I said, this is not a party of entitlement. It's not a party where father and son take a decision or mother and son take a decision on the dining table. This is a party which practices democratic values within its working. So once all the legislators come back with their election certificates, there's a meeting of all the members, then their views are elicited, then we also receive the inputs from our top leadership, and finally whatever decision is taken is collective and in the purely democratic spirit.
So what will be the role of the BJP in J&K politics now, because now you will have to sit in the opposition?
No, that's your assumption. I mean, the role will be determined after all the legislators come.
Still hopeful that Haryana-like thing can happen here?
No, I'm not saying that, but what I'm saying is that this is a hung assembly. Let the things clear down, and then we'll discuss that part also.
Dr. Singh, there are few seats where BJP had won last time, like Ramban, like Bani. But this time, do you think that the internal tussle that was going on over ticket distribution has somehow, damaged BJP?
No, it's not that. I would not take it like that. See, BJP is a popular party. It's a party with prospects, promise, potential. And that is why more than one person is ready to become a candidate in any BJP election. So much so that even from Congress and National Conference, people are ready to join BJP provided they are given a ticket. So see this party is a party of promise. So naturally, when you have more than one aspirant, only one would be contesting the election. But overall, if you see, once because BJP is such a disciplined party, once a decision is taken collectively and in the larger interest, then everybody follows it. And that's what has happened. That's why our tally is today better than any other election in the past.
Dr. Singh, before we end this conversation, one last question. Your J&K unit president, Mr. Ravinder Raina, he was initially, as per reports, that he was reluctant to contest from Naushera. He was still asked to contest from there, and he's losing. So is it embarrassing for the party that your state unit is losing?
No, it's not that. See, as I said, this is a party where everybody is a karyakarta. The responsibilities keep changing. And the decisions are collective, the approach is collective. So what is to feel satisfied about is that we have performed better than any other election in the past.
Many thanks for speaking to India Today. So that was Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh speaking exclusively to India Today. He has said that BJP has performed very well. This is the best performance of the BJP in Jammu and Kashmir. With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Jammu for India Today.